Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you, this is my first tutorial in this channel. My first tutorial is to get a custom ringtone, how to get a custom ringtone in an iPad or iPhone. So let's get into it. But I had to delete a GarageBand because it's broken as hell. You need GarageBand for this because also GarageBand is my childhood, so this is my current ringtone. So let's go in App Store and download GarageBand because this is you need GarageBand for this, or else, bro, you can't do this. You don't need Apple Music. You don't need to pay. It's completely for damn free. It's for free. You don't need garage ringtones. That's crap. It just pays you money to literally get in the damn app. That's crazy. But let's wait. Hell no, I ain't waiting. Let's play Geometry Dash in the meantime. Okay, I ain't waiting. I'm finna play Geometry Dash. Gonna quietly try inside me. Anxiety, take it off from me. Somebody watching me. It's my anxiety. I'll look for my own. Okay. Oh, GarageBand is still downloading. Yay. Well, keep on driving me, out of silence me. Anxiety, take it over me. Somebody watching me. Fun fact, I can go explorers until 16%. Can you believe me? Because that wave part is hard. Okay, let's see if it's downloaded. It's installing. It's still installing. It's not loading. It's installing. You just have to wait a few minutes and it will be done. Sorry, it's taking too long, but you've been trying me. I'm a silence me. Also, I changed my icon and my colors. Don't silence me. Anxiety, take it off of me. Nobody's watching me. It's my anxiety. Oh, crap, wait. Yeah, so you have to go to GarageBand, okay? Let me just, oh, crap. Go to audio recorder, okay? And press yes on microphone. And then you have to make your own, audio. So this, it's like this. I'm gonna do like this. I am a glog yab gelab the shwabble double wubble gubble with that. Like that. And then put it on this. You have to go on the pages. And we're on this. So we're very close to doing this. So we just do this. We just select this. We share it. And it just goes to ringtone. You can rename it. I will choose Glow Gab Lab. Standard ringtone. And there you go. Let me see my ringtone. I got 3 different ringtones because of damn garage band. So I am a glug glug gab gab the shwabble double wubble gubble fizzle that. But there's an extended version. I am the glug glug get gab the shwabble double wubble gubble fizzle that. I'm full of slip bug lip bug and I am the east of thoughts in mind. Yeah, don't worry about that screen. But and now I think you know the name of this song. Currently, my favorite song is currently my favorite song. But this is how to like get a new like. This is how to get a new ringtone for free. And you know we Asians like stuff for free. So we scam the literal system. We get it for free. But I'm finna go, so see ya.